we're gonna do. It is called wave hands and clouds. I'm gonna do this very, very simple. Okay. So I'm gonna turn to the side so you can see me. That hands. So stand with your feet together, separate shoulder width apart, bend your knees slightly. Okay. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna allow your hand, left hand to come up. Gonna come around. It's coming to about 9. As it comes down to 6, your right hand comes around and does the same thing from the opposite side. You step in, okay, step out, hands come around, come up, step in. Again, it's called wave hands and cloud. Step out, step in. Very good.